Hi guys, welcome to lesson 3.8, importing locations from an outside source, specifically a Google Sheet. So one of the options you have when you go to make a layer or to start your map, and I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to add a new layer to this map we've been working on. Down here you'll see I've got my untitled layer. I'm going to call this Kansas Colleges. So one of the options you have, instead of dropping markers or doing this, is you can actually import a list of places, and it will add all of them to the map at one time if you have the information. So I'm going to flip over here to this Google Sheet. So I've started a Google Sheet, and it's just got name, location, and description. And these headers don't matter. So the names of them, you can name them if it's location or title or whatever. The name of them, it doesn't matter, but you do want to place a name in this first row here. And I've added them. And so let's say I do one more. We'll say Emporia State University, and I'm just putting towns, but you could put specific addresses or GPS coordinates if you want to. That's home of the Hornets. Okay, so we've got that there. And I've got 5 locations of 5 different colleges in Kansas. So I'm going to flip back over and I'm going to click import. You can actually do CSV, which is comma separated values. That often comes out of Excel. You could also get it out of Google Sheets. This is the actual Excel file. I'm going to go ahead and just find mine from Google Drive, since that's what we did. I'm going to flip it over to recent, since I just had it open and was just working on it. It should show up here as soon as it refreshes. There it is. There's my map sample. I'm going to click select. It's going to grab that from Google Drive, and then it's going to go through a series of prompts here. The first one asks us where to put the place marks. So there again, addresses, latitude, longitude. So I don't want to choose name. I put mine in my location. And again, it's reading those headers out of my Google Sheet that I have. So then I'm going to go continue. Pick a column to use as the title for the place mark, so the name. So that's what I have is name, Fort Hays State, Kansas State, those kind of things. And I'm going to finish. You're going to see down here that it's loading. And now it's expanded my map. Now I've got Hays, I've got Manhattan, Emporia, I've got one now in Wichita, and in K-State, or in Lawrence there for KU. So if I go ahead and I just click on that location, then you'll see then I've got my name, my location, and then I put that description and added that in as part of it. So actually, if you know, this is actually a pretty slick way to build your map information kind of all at once and bring it in. Notice I still have the ability to edit any of those, add photos, change my markers, do directions, that sort of thing. So that's a really cool way to bring in a bunch of markers simultaneously, especially if you know, let's say like Civil War battle trail or, the specific locations of things that you want to bring in all at once. So that's importing locations from a Google Sheet.